Now we are on part 53 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. Optimizing page speed is crucial for user engagement and website performance. By following some key tips, such as optimizing images by compressing them to reduce file size, using a simple website design with a clear hierarchy and navigation structure, leveraging browser caching, and improving server response time, you can enhance the loading speed of your pages. Monitoring page speed metrics in Google Analytics, specifically the average load time and bounce rate, provides insights into user behavior and can help identify areas for improvement. Google Analytics also offers speed suggestions, indicating which pages load quickly and which ones may have slower loading times. By referring to these suggestions, you can address the factors causing slow loading and take necessary actions to improve the speed and overall user experience. Faster loading times lead to better engagement, reduced bounce rates, and increased chances of retaining visitors on your website. Optimizing page speed is crucial for both user experience and website rankings. By utilizing tools like Google Analytics and Page Speed Insights, you can identify areas for improvement and receive suggestions to enhance page load times. Factors such as properly sizing images, minimizing server response time, avoiding excessive page redirects, and optimizing code contribute to faster loading speeds. Google considers page speed as a significant ranking factor because it values websites that provide a good user experience. Faster loading pages lead to higher engagement, lower bounce rates, and increased conversions. For example, Walmart saw improved conversions by focusing on their page speed, reducing it from 1 to 4 seconds. Even a small decrease in page load time such as 1 to 2 seconds can have a significant impact on user engagement and conversion rates. Therefore, prioritizing page speed optimization is crucial for maintaining a competitive edge and satisfying user expectations. Now let's focus on off-site engagement, which refers to activities conducted outside of our own website to improve its visibility and rankings in search results. While optimizing on page elements and website factors is crucial, it is equally important to consider what we can do beyond our website to enhance its online presence. To illustrate this concept, let's consider an example of an ice cream recipes blog. We have diligently optimized all on-page elements such as meta tags, title tags, meta descriptions, and H1 tags. We have also ensured a solid site architecture, submitted a sitemap, and optimized page loading speed. Despite these efforts, our website is still not performing well in terms of search rankings, and in such cases, it is necessary to shift our focus from our own website to external websites, which is known as off-site or off-page SEO. Off-site engagement involves implementing strategies to improve our website's reputation, authority, and visibility across the web. This includes activities such as link building, social media marketing, online partnerships, guest blogging, and brand mentions on other websites. By actively participating in these off-site activities, we can increase our website's exposure, attract more visitors, and boost its search engine rankings. Off-site SEO plays a vital role because search engines consider factors beyond our website to determine its relevance and credibility. Building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites, earning positive reviews and mentions, and establishing a strong online presence through social media channels all contribute to off-site engagement and ultimately improve our website's search visibility. While optimizing on-page elements is important, off-site engagement is equally crucial for maximizing our website's potential. By implementing effective off-site SEO strategies, we can enhance our website's reputation, authority, and visibility in search engine results pages, driving more traffic and improving overall online performance. To optimize click-through rates or CTR for your website, it is beneficial to pay attention to title tags and meta tags. Including numbers in title tags tends to attract more clicks. For instance, rather than a generic tag like Learn Digital Marketing, using a number such as 5 easy ways to learn digital marketing can be more enticing. Similarly, framing meta tags as questions can increase engagement. Instead of a straightforward tag like Learn the importance of first page rankings, posing it as a question such as how to rank number 1 on Google generates more interest. By crafting descriptive and engaging tags within the character limits, you can improve search engine visibility and encourage users to click on your links, driving more traffic to your website. Optimizing on-page elements is crucial, but website-level factors also contribute to higher rankings. A well-structured site with a logical hierarchy facilitates efficient crawling by search engine bots. Using HTML for site development is recommended for better indexing. Building comprehensive internal linking structures with natural and strategic placement of links guides users from one page to another. Website security is vital, and transitioning from HTTP to HTTPS using SSL certificates enhances security and improves search rankings. Including a sitemap, especially dynamic sitemaps for larger websites, helps prioritize and inform search engines about the frequency of changes. Maintaining up-to-date sitemap and submitting it to search engines through the Search Console aids in prompt indexing and better visibility. Off-page SEO involves generating high-quality backlinks from other reputable and relevant websites. If you have optimized your own website but are still not achieving the desired rankings, it is important to shift your focus to other websites. By obtaining backlinks from sites that are relevant, of high quality, and possesses strong domain authority, you can expect to see an improvement in your rankings. While on-page elements play a significant role in SEO, the acquisition of quality backlinks is crucial in further boosting your search performance. To achieve higher rankings, it is essential to prioritize off-site engagement. Backlinks from websites with high domain authority contribute to improved rankings. SEO encompasses both on-page optimization, such as optimizing page content, ensuring sound site architecture, and adhering to best practices like using sitemaps and optimizing page load times, as well as off-page strategies like backlinking. According to analysis by Backlinko, off-site engagement is considered one of the most important factors in securing the top position in Google search results. Therefore, focusing solely on on-page elements like updating title tags and improving page load speed is insufficient. To truly enhance your domain authority and search rankings, emphasis must be placed on building quality backlinks. Obtaining backlinks from high-quality websites is an important aspect of off-site engagement. These backlinks bring referring traffic and credibility to your website. Moreover, search engines like Google recognize the relationship between these sites and your own. If the sites linking to yours are of high quality, it results in the passing of link juice, which enhances your organic search performance. For example, when searching for a banana bread recipe, the top-ranked page from Simple Recipe stands out. Analyzing the page using tools like Moz's Link Explorer report reveals valuable insights. The Link Explorer report helps identify the page authority and domain authority of your own website, as well as the number of links from other quality websites. In the case of Simply Recipes, their page authority is 58 out of 100, and their domain authority is 82 out of 100. These scores indicate a strong presence of good links from other domains, with 824 linking domains and 3,600 inbound links. Furthermore, they rank for multiple keywords. Examining the report further reveals the breakdown of linking websites based on their domain authority. For instance, they have 19 domains with a domain authority of 91 to 100 and 15 domains within a range of 81 to 90. This indicates a significant number of high-quality domains linking to their site. The Link Explorer report provides an overview of the websites linking to yours, showcasing the top linking domains, page authority, and more. It also offers insights into your own page authority and domain authority, both of which need to be high for better rankings on Google search. Building a strong network of quality backlinks is essential for improving your website's authority and visibility in search engine results. To achieve high domain authority and improve search rankings, it is crucial to obtain links from high-quality websites. This concept is at the core of off-site engagement. One approach to off-site engagement is influencer marketing, where individuals with a large and relevant following can endorse your product or brand on social media platforms like Twitter or Facebook. For instance, if you sell Nike shoes, having someone like Usain Bolt, a famous sprinter, reference your product can significantly influence people to make a purchase. Engaging with audiences on various social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter is another strategy. By promoting your products or running special offers on these platforms, you can attract potential customers. Additionally, leveraging popular bookmarking sites like StumbleUpon and participating in discussion forums like Reddit or Q&A sites such as Quora allows you to share your content and provide valuable answers related to your business. These activities facilitate the link building and enable you to share your expertise while generating backlinks. Collaborating with other relevant blogs or websites is another effective method. For example, if you have a blog post about ice cream recipes, you can seek out a dessert-focused blog and share your content there, creating a backlink from that blog to yours. Similarly, you can reciprocate by featuring their content on your blog. This reciprocal sharing of content not only helps in gaining backlinks, but also contributes to improving domain authority, which in turn positively impacts search rankings. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 54.